Hello, this video will show you how to add non-apparel or traditional hard good products to your store. To do so, once you've logged in, under Product Administration, click on Manage Products. From here, you'll get a listing of all the products currently associated. I've got a default here for Tumbler. If I search, it's going to give me a complete listing of all products. Then I can go ahead and hit Add New Product, and then I can just give it a product name. The Product Info tab is what shows up first, but in this case, I'm going to give it a simple name, uh, Steel Tumbler, product number. I'm just going to make it something simple. This can be the supplier's number, but I'll just make it 1234. You can associate the supplier. It's not required. It's more of an internal reference so you know who you get that product from. Vendor is for our vendor notification system, and that's covered in another video. I'll leave it blank for now. Lead time, this must be a full or whole number. It cannot be 10 dash, can't be 10.5. It has to be one whole number. And so this indicates that it is a 10-day turnaround time or lead time for this product. Case quantity is how many ship at one time. In this case, I'll make it one. And then, actually, I'm going to make it 12 because the minimum is going to be 12 on this product. And then the case weight is how much do 12 of these weigh? I'm going to say 15 pounds in this case when they ship. Unit of measure is typically one each, but you also have the option of case and box. You could say there are, in this case, 12 in a box if you want. The active flag is required in order for the product to show up on the store. On the home page, we have a featured and new carousel. For this store, I only have featured enabled, so I'm going to just choose featured. Specials, that's covered in another video as well as coupons to be associated with the product. All products default to taxable. If you want the product to be tax exempt, you can uncheck this box. We'll leave it taxable. Orderable simply means they can add it to the cart and purchase the item. If you only want to display the product on the store without it being able to be ordered, you would uncheck that box. We'll leave it as this. Inventory is covered in another video, but this is the section in which you would enable inventory. I forgot to go to the free ground shipping. If this is checked and you're using UPS and or FedEx real-time freight rates, this will not be calculated into the ground of real-time freight rates. So I'll leave that unchecked for now. Below that, you have an area for a description, and I'm just going to keep it simple. Great tumbler. You can paste text into this area. You can format it with the this text editor tool set. That's really up to you, but I'll keep it simple. From here, I can define at least one custom image. This is the main product image, and you can have up to 3. So this might be used when you want to show a front, a back, maybe a side view. In this case, we'll just do one. Here are the mugs that I want to add to the site, or the tumblers. I'm going to click the blue as my default, and I hit Update Image. And you'll see that that is listed. All of my other information is still saved. Notice I haven't hit Save or Save and Return yet. I can work my way across the tabs that I need in order to complete setting up the product. The next thing, if you have color options, you'll click on the color tabs. It defaults to this no color option, but in our case, we have 2 colors. So I need to add a row. Here we see the additional row. I know that this product is available in blue and in, I'm going to call it white. Use image is basically the ability that when they choose the color, it will show the image on the storefront. So I'm going to choose my image. We're going to go with the blue and the cream or white, and then hit update. And we see the images there. You have to have a default color. I'm using the blue because it's the same image that I used for the default product image. So it's good to keep those 2 the same. If you need to add more colors that aren't in this dropdown, you can hit add standard color. If you add that color here, it will be available not only on this product, but on all products going forward. From here, I make sure I got what I need. I hit the pricing tab, which is the next, default information that you need for the product. And in this case, I'm going to have some price breaks. I'm going to have 4 column price breaks. Hit update, and now it gives me fields. I'm going to do 12, 24, 36, and 48. So these will be the price breaks for the product. That hasn't been set yet. They'll appear down here when I hit update column breaks. And now we see that. Pricing model, because this is a hard good, no sizes are needed. We have another video that's called apparel product setup where you would use sizes, but this defaults to no sizes needed, so it's great for this product. You'll see that the color options default to blue and white to be associated to this price grid. So I'm going to set that price now. So we're going to say 30 per unit. So $30 if I order 12. There they would be, then the price goes down per unit as I increase the quantity. And then from here, I can hit save or save and return. And if I hit save and return, it just takes me back to the listing of all of my products. Here, I can search for the item that I just added because I need to associate it to a category. You have a couple options for doing that. And here we see the product we just set up. I can check this box and hit add remove from catalog, or I can go into the product and see that the categorization has been done. Keep in mind, a product must belong to a category in order for it to appear on the site. So I'll click add. I will find my category here in step one, click on drinkware, make sure it's highlighted, check this box in step two, hit add selected product. Now it's associated to drinkware. I hit return. I get the feedback that it is now associated to the category, and I will hit save and return. From here, I can go to the front end or the store itself and find that product. Here we see the item that we've just added. If I choose the white, it changes out that image. If I go back to blue, and then I see my default primary image here. The minimum quantity is enforced in the quantity field. I can hit add to cart, but I can also see the different price breaks that I've set up along with the different information. If I order 12 of these and hit add to cart, I will see that each of them cost $30. 12 times 30 is $360.